Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog. So I have the defrost off for now, so you can't hear it, but I might have to put it back on. It is snowing. You can't see it. We're actually under like a blizzard watch. So I'm going down to the fire station for station coverage, which is when you... Yeah, that's my car. When you go down and you stand by at the station in case there's a call. So yeah, I just decided to start the vlog. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna vlog today, but yeah, I was planning on vlogging all day. So I was planning on being home until they put out that they were having station coverage. So yeah, I don't know if you can even see the snow. I can't. But yeah, someone needs to move up because we've been sitting here. So yeah, maybe I will talk to you guys later. If not, then it may be way later. I'm dark. Alright, hopefully you can see me. I'm trying this out. I'm using the back-facing camera because I'm going to show you outside. So I just got back from the station. I was there from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m., which it is a little after 9 now. It's 9:17. Just got home. The snow has stopped, but we are still, I don't know if it's still like considered a blizzard, but the winds, which you're going to be able to hear when I open the door. But we have gusts up to 50 miles per hour, so I'll show you out front first, and then we can go look out back. Yeah. Sorry, headphone users, if any of my viewers use headphones, then this might get a little loud. Yeah. Let's look out back real quick. My phone's gonna die, so it's at 15%. So I don't want the video to start to get laggy, so let's go out here real quick. There. The snowdrifts are also a lot worse. Like you can see, there's more like spots where it's higher, lower, and it's cold. It's actually 24 degrees, so it's warmer than it has been, but yeah. Alright guys, so I'm doing the ending now. This was a really short vlog and I apologize, but I was at the fire station all day. Like my mermaid pillowcase, I don't even care if it's girly. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. Sorry, it was, oh my god, look at this chin. But yeah, sorry it was so short. Hopefully I'll have better content soon. I do really want to work on the content of this channel, which this quality is not helping. But yeah, that's all I have. It's like, I don't know what time it is, but I have to go watch a couple vlogs because I didn't watch them because I was at the station and I was busy, or really not busy, we just shoveled and made food a lot. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Wow, you guys do that most, like it. Thumbs up if you don't, comment down below what you want to see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want, and I'll see you guys, like I said.